Welcome friends! Today we are making delicious orange chicken. Begin by making the breading. In a medium saucepan, combine all-purpose flour with cornstarch, kosher salt, and black pepper. Now whisk the eggs. Now slice 2 chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. Thoroughly coat the pieces with the flour mixture. Place the coated chicken into the egg. And back to the flour mixture. In a large pot over high heat, fry the breaded chicken until golden brown. In a small cup or bowl, combine orange juice with Chinese cooking wine, sesame oil, seasoned rice vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and cornstarch. Mix these together. Now using the same wok on high heat, saute chopped garlic, chopped ginger, dry red chilies, and orange zest. Now add the orange juice mixture, bring it to boil. When the sauce begins to thicken, remove from heat, add the chicken. Gently coat the chicken with the sauce. We hope you enjoy watching our video. Delicious orange chicken. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. Please remember to subscribe.